Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This episode, I'm going to make a healthy smoothie. It can be a meal when you're on a diet. Emerald Smoothie.
This smoothie is so easy to prepare. I call this smoothie is Emerald Smoothie because I use the green ingredient to make this. I used avocado, kiwi, spinach, and banana to get the natural sweetness to the smoothie because I don't want to add any syrups or the honey. I just want the natural flavor. I'm going to cut the avocado, and I need just only half of avocado. You don't need to get the full avocado because that's too much. And when in another half, you can put in the fridge and you can make the another smoothie tomorrow. Okay, kiwi. I need a whole kiwi. And spinach. And I'm going to put the yogurt. I like the plain yogurt, no sugar, because this smoothie is quite really healthy. I add the cup of coconut water first. If they are too thick, you can add a little bit more. Ready? Go! See, easy to make and very healthy. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channels. You can follow my other videos from my channel, Comfy Cozy Kitchen with Jari or Go and Gourmet by Jari. And see you next time, guys. Bye.